You tell them more, tell them more, tell them more, do. It's a crazy world, so what do? You tell them more, tell them more, tell them more, do.
Alright then, so we're in Stockholm, the Venice of the North. That's what they call it. Well, so I've seen on a website now. 8.5 cold. Oh, I was being clever, I'll be alright. Swam round at 6, feels like -8, and I'm not used to that. But we're staying on a boat. Oh, I've got a draft right up my top. I'm gonna have to start tucking my t-shirts in. I feel it right on me flank, my kidneys, my cold. But it's real quiet city. You have to think of London on a Friday afternoon. Can't move, but this is banging the city centre. Just go off the train station, out the train station there in the middle. Barely a soul about. Me and cameraman was whispering. Keep the noise down, John, you'll get us fanned. Yeah, so we're staying in Gamla on a yacht, as it goes. We've been from a seafaring town, Hull. Thought, yeah, makes sense. Go on a boat. So, I can see it. I can see it. I'll show you. Look. Look at that. Our boat is over there. It's over there, cameraman. See it? Oh. Well, it might be one of them ones over there, but it could be any of them. But I think it's that one over there. Look at it, I've got a snow that. There's grit all over that, so you don't fall. So I've only got my tennis shoes on. There's a big old church or something there.
It's a town hall, isn't it? City hall.
Sort of like that, isn't it? Big shiny building there. There's your train station here. But this bit over here, this is called, what's it called, cameraman? Gamla Stan, that's it. And that's all the oldie bit, all the old buildings, narrow streets, pizzerias, meatballs and that. So that's where we're going to go. Oh, my hands are hurting. It's that cold. I think my camera will go off, it's that cold, I'm not kidding. Look all this water here about it, pardon me French. About it bites in there if you fell in. It's icy down there, look, the pigeons are standing on it. Some of the hardest pigeons in the world. What are they doing? Look at them. Getting in it. Never seen that like it. I wouldn't live here if I was a pigeon, would you? In this weather. Came them all under there, look. Little nests. Hey, you didn't think I was going to do a wildlife documentary, did you? Oh, Scandinavian pigeons. There you go, you get it all with me. Train. Look. So, we got the train from the station, from the airport. I think it was about 12 quid. It takes about half an hour. Nice ride, you'd stop at half a dozen stations. But they do an express train. It's nearly twice the price. Now me and cameraman are wise to that. We got the commuter train. Only takes another 10 minutes. So remember that. Walk past all the yellow express trains. Because they're only after your money. Keep walking and get on the commuter train. So that's your first lesson. And then you just walk over here if this is where you're staying. But it's beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, that's smashing, that. Oh, I have to swap hands. It's yeah. Right, so next one, once we get over here, get me bearings, get checked in, I'm going to show you my accommodation. Alright, my yacht. We've got a standard room for two with bunk beds, ensuite bathroom, and it's got a little desk and electric sockets to charge all your gear up. So So we're living it up a bit. I'll fill you in with the prices and all that. Because it wasn't dear. You'd have thought you'd be falling all over, but look, it's all snowy. Oh, look, you can do what you like on it. You don't slip because the bus put something on it. Even cameraman's not slipping in his Hugo Boss winkle pickers. Oh, yeah, there's not many people about. Maybe they've got more sense. I mean, they know more than we do. Right, I'll leave you with that beautiful shot. I'll catch up with you a bit later on, right? Alright. Oh, look at all this snow, look. They just shove it to the side so you can still go down it with your car. Anyway, this is our accommodation, look at it. Big old vessel. On the website though, made out it's got a sauna. So I've been up to reception at the Mälardrottningen, that's what it's called. That's Swedish for the name of the boat. And they haven't got a sauna no more. So that's disappointing, because I was going to go and go in it. And maybe jump in the Baltic Sea, or whatever it's called. You know, to wake you up a bit. But yeah, that's how the view looks. It's a lovely, lovely fresh day today. Only got a t-shirt on. Damn nails me. Look at the size of that pile of snow up there, look. Must be 15 feet of snow, that. So yeah, they get proper winters here. But yeah, this is my boat. We've just had a full Swedish breakfast. Cheese, salami, you know the score with these foreign breakfasts. But they had bacon and egg, no sausages, which is probably in our favour, because you know what foreigners are like with sausages, they're always terrible. Well known facts, that. But so I've had a good feed, and then afterwards I found a bit of room for some muesli. So I had some muesli as well. But you go in here, look. That's the reception up that ramp. That's my room there, look. That little hole. There he is, look, cameraman. Cameraman, give us a wave. Cameraman. There he is, look. There's cameraman. That's my flat. But you don't have to go through there, because that takes you through reception, you see. Oh, it's cold, look. It hurts your head. Real cold on your head. And you just do this, look, watch. It opens it up, look. When you're in, I won't start shouting here though. It's full of foreigners. Morning. Hello. Oh, it's a delayed reaction. We've got this little area here, look. With a picture of a nice lady. You can shine your shoes there, and then you can get some still or sparkling water here. And this has cost us 135 quid for 2 nights, which I don't think's bad deal. That's what, like, again, it's like I say, full breakfast thrown in. So you can sit there if you want, but this is where you want to be, up here, look. Oh, they're all having their breakfast. I'll show you. There you go, look. Got a bit of music on. And this is your reception here, look. Hiya. So yes, you can come in here, look. A lounge area, it's a restaurant and all. It's all a bit quiet here, you've got to behave. Look at all this from the old, when it was a proper boat. So that's alright, isn't it? And look, I'll show you up the front. Look at that. That's the city centre over there. And we're just like south of it. It's only a 10-minute walk, isn't far. There's a bridge over there, which is a beautiful morning. Cold. I mean, it's not, that bit's not frozen, but near our boat it's frozen over. Feels like you're moving up with the ripples, but you're not, because it's chained up. Like I say, there was supposed to be a sauna on here, but there isn't. Just ask the lady. A couple of lads having a breakfast, a bit of peace and quiet. But the cameraman was in here last night. A load of Indians on their holidays. I went to bed while he was sat nattering to the Indians. Look at that posh, got an iPad for your juice. Press whatever it is you want. Comes out that little tap. So I'm living in the future, these sweets, you know. Well, there was a little tour in my room now. We've just got a bog standard two-bed. You don't have to go mad, but you get towels and an ensuite and that. Oh. Cameraman's left the bathroom door open so I can't get in. It's over into fire. So there's cameraman, look. There's my bed. You've got a desk to do any desk-based stuff. You've got a full wardrobe, look, a load of hangers and that, look, all our gear. We're fully set up. The cameraman's t-shirt, if I was going out in that tonight. What a clown. But yeah. Oh well, what shall we do? Let me just flush that. Yeah. Shower curtain and that. Cups for drinks and a mirror. Hey, hey. So yeah, this is that window cameraman was waving out of, look. Look, that's outside, look. So yeah, that's this boat, what we're staying on. I forgot its name already. So yeah, whatever you think, you might want to come, especially for that type of money. What, 135 quid for 2 nights with a full breakfast. They've got really convenient plugs, one near the front door. And one right under that desk. You have to climb under. So you know, you've got all your electric sockets. What's this? Yeah, cameraman, I found your card that you couldn't find. You got another one last night. Cause I was talking to them Indians. So yeah, that's the boat. But today we're going to go on a boat trip, a proper one out at sea. So I'll show you all that. And now what else are we doing? Well, it doesn't matter really. I'm going to try and watch Old City Blackburn later with a bit of luck. So I'll catch up with you later on, alright? Ta-ra! Alright. As you'll notice, I haven't got an hat on. And I haven't got much hair. So I need an hat. The reason I haven't got an hat is because I don't know where it is. So I must have misplaced it in one of Stockholm's watering holes last night. So first thing on the agenda today, well, the first thing was a full breakfast, which I've had. But second thing on the agenda is go and get a woolly hat what's got a Sweden flag on. So that's what I'm doing. We're just at the water's edge near our yacht, our private yacht. And I'm going to go over there. There's a load of little tat shops that sell tat, but they also sell woolly hats with a Sweden flag on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over there. Hey, look at that though. Look at that, isn't it, Bonnie? Oh, that wasn't there yesterday. But it's there today. There's cameraman, look. He's lost his snoot. Oh no, he's found his snoot. So right, I'll take you over there. Because last night we was over there but we didn't know how to get over here. So I insisted on getting a taxi. Now I've just checked my Revolut this morning. The taxi from there, what I can see, so here, was £20 sterling. 200 and odd kroners. So we need to get our bearings today, because I ain't paying that again. £20 to go there. It's about 500 yards as the crow flies. Hey, look at that building. What building's that, cameraman? You know?
Steve's place.
What? Number 19. Look at it's spotless though. Look at no lids there, just piles of snow. Oh, my ears are hurting, cameraman. Really does hurt. The cold. So anyhow, I'll see you over the other side at Gamla Stan, alright? Ta-ra! Oh, there, that's where I got my taxi, there. See it at the end of my finger? And it took me there. And it cost me 20 quid. But anyway, there's a nice old church thing. So that's alright, isn't it? There's another church thing over there. Look at that sky though, it looks nice. Look at that big pile of snow there, look. Must be 8 foot high, that. Another nice building. Yeah, just big piles of snow everywhere. And like I said on that earlier video, look, it's not slippery. Woohoo! It's like real grippy snow. At home you'd be on your bum, wouldn't you? Ah, there it is, cameraman. Cameraman! He's ignoring me. It's got a thick head, I think, this morning. That's how you get over here, cameraman. This little bridge. 20 quid for 500 yards. So it's coming, didn't they? There's the busy road, look. Load of building work, look, there's a crane up there. Load of markers, 30 zone, diggers. Bendy buses. That's gonna Soda's Yacht. It's nice in Soda's Yacht. Oh my bonds. It's that cold, it's burning. Oh, there's another building, look. It's got a Latin on. Oh, the old Gustavo Enrique. Good beard, didn't he? He's got his shorts on though. Shorts and a cloak. Gustavo. Art et Mart. If any of me followers speak foreign, what's that mean? Art et Mart. There it is, cameraman, where we've got our taxi there. There's people going about the business with their hats on, look. Cycle was bron. Start trying to pick the language up because it comes in dead handy speaking Swedish. I need a woolly hat, cameraman. Just setting up for the day. We have the best beer selection. It's a bit early for craft beers and ciders. So this is the old town, this is Gamla Stan, or Stamlagan, one of the ways round. But they're keeping them all done up. They've even graffitied a deer on this one, or is it a kangaroo? I'm not sure. Be a deer, won't it? Be ready for 2025. So this is where I was last night. There's a lot of Asian tourists here as well. I noticed Taiwan and Korean and that. They're so showing it, look. Oh, what's on in here tonight? Cameraman in Stampen. Free entry between 5 and 7. Johan Borg's on tonight. So that's alright, isn't it? It's quiet though for a Saturday. It's not particularly early either. It's on 10. Go and get a tattoo if you want a tattoo. And here, look. So I'll do a little tour around here. So if you just watch this, you don't have to come then. You've seen it. Look, Asian tourists, there's loads of them, I love it. God, my hands are hurting. Got my gloves with me, I'll put them on. There we go, this looks like one. Oh, way up. Nearly. It's alright, yeah, laughing. I'll try this one. Not going in there because she laughed. Right, I found a shop. We can buy a full mouse. Oh dear. Hello, do you sell hats with a Sweden flag? Oh, it's red and white. I wanted yellow and blue. Right. Oh, there's loads of them, look. 219. What's that, cameraman? Which one shall I get? I don't really want that big a thing on. Yeah, no, they're all the same price. What's 219, cameraman?
18 quid.
Oh, 18 quid. It's not as thick as me. It's Norway one, what I lost. But beggars can't be choosers, can they? I shouldn't have lost it. Right, let's go and pay the mister.
पता लगे अभी खुद उठ के जाएगा बेवकूफ आदमी है सर दरवाजा कौन खोलता है मेरे सर ये था या कट गया सर किसी खतरनाक है ये तो माइनस टेम्परेचर है
She's done it. There we go. Oh.
Just have.
There we go.
Do you want to cut the tag?
Yes, please.
Also other side.
There we go. Lovely jubbly. Thank you.
What you want on the mantelpiece, I like that.
Oh, it's funny then. Oh, there you go, look. So, isn't it? Right, let's go and find a boat trip. Let's get to sea. Oh, Lord Nelson. John, look at that bus he's going. Bulgaria. Oh, way up, some soldiers. Must be on tea break. Changing into the garden, no one's watching. Got fully armed, got shooters on them. Oh, they're not slipping, it's well gritted that. Conall Carl VI, 1690 or 1697, and he got 7 years at it. It's going back a bit, innit? Yeah, so that's your Stockholm main drag. But let's go and ask one of these boats. Alright, so I wanted to do a sightseeing cruise, you know, an hour and a half, take you around all the islands and all that. But everyone we've been to been sold out. So they have these little ferries, commuter ferries. So I just as it luck would have it, we just nicely got in on time, but the bloke says, how far's the first stop? He says, about 20 minutes, where are you going? I says, I don't know. I said, I'll just get off at the first step, the first stop. No problem. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know exactly where it's going, but look at the water, it's frozen. Don't believe it, would you? Sea freezing over like that. So yeah, we're just on this boat, look. Guys, wind is a bit mucky, but yeah, so we're just gonna, oh, cameraman's on the roof. I'm gonna go on the roof. I don't know exactly where we're going, you see. Yeah, I'll film it, look. Oh, look at that. Look at the water. Oh, I'm impressed with this. Don't even know how much it's cost. But life jackets though, in case. This is the life, isn't it? Robin Hood, riding through the glen. There's a theme park up here. Roller coasters and that. There's some towers. Oh, it's cold up here though. Well, I'll catch up with you next stop then, eh? There you go, all fair. Do you know one there though? It's so cold. I'll be on a roller coaster in this. Oh, it was opening it up. I'm getting a move on. Oh, cruise ship there, look, Viking line. The Cinderella. Won't come on a cruise here. If you're cruising, you're it's Barbados, St Kitts and that, innit? Bunch of frigging corporate, Stockholm. Cold. Right, so we've got off the ferry now. Forget the name of it, where we are anyway. We got off at the first stop. Well, 25 minutes or something it took to get here. And now we're just going to walk back to town. but we just bumped into a British woman. She's given us the heads up which way to go. 45 minutes to an hour, probably be an hour with the snow. He was going to walk back, but half nice. Couldn't live here though. So cold. Look at the ice on the rocks and that. Look at that, all icy and slushed up. Hard little buggers, them ducks though. It's all recycling, look. They look after their environment here. Loads of joggers. Keep yourself fit, these Scandinavians. Because they say, don't they, summer bodies are made in winter. So that's what they're doing. But they've got grippers on the runners. Makes sense. Yeah, look. Ah, that's where we are. Blockhusuden. This is where you get the 67 bus to Odenplan and Keilerplan. Every half an hour or so the buses come, but we're not doing a bus. We're walking. Hey, that's a nice house, isn't it? This is just like a residential area, because that was a commuter ferry we just got on. You just scan it when you go on and you scan it when you go off, and then it squares them up. So like I say, this is just a residential area where people live. This cameraman, look, knows where he's going. Hey, so we're in this residential area. It's an old canal here, look, that's frozen. Look how nice it is round here. Some money's what found here. They don't grow on trees, them houses. But strangely, they're made of wood, actually, they do. But, yeah, so this is a canal, 45-minute walk, according to the skipper on that boat. But yes, it's a sort of residential bit, this. Everyone's out walking their dogs or jogging. But it's nice. Oh, she said, didn't she, to go in the sun? So we're going over this little bridge, look. Hey, look at that duck walking on the ice. You reckon that house there, cameraman? Couple of million quid's worth that, innit? Good thing about here in winter, you don't have to cut your grass. It's a bonus. We don't have to wait hours really, but what? Let your socks run down. So this canal takes you straight into town. That's where we're going to go. But I don't mind living in that. Got a detail in it. But it's a bugger to eat though. And decorate. And I'll catch up with you again. Look at that, it's just icy slush. Look at it frozen up the edges. Ben's playing out in it. Look at that. Wow. It's impressive, isn't it?
That's just what it's frozen, isn't it?
Yeah, solid, yeah.
You won't let the
Hey, we're in indoor market. Just found it because we needed a wee, because we just walked back. It took about an hour and a half. But look at how posh it is. Bring your dogs in as well. And it's real toasty warm. All fresh produce. Look at it. All your fresh meat and that. 600, what's that? It's not cheap, is it? 50 quid. 600? 50 quid for that piece of beef. We're only window shopping. Is that right? This is 50 knots. Must be top end here, it's like average or something. Queuing though. 50 quid for a piece of meat, it's not even cooked. It's nice though, isn't it? When you come for toilet, all your fresh fish. Grouper or something. There's plenty of bums on seats. Toilet here, look. Oh, I want to take you into the toilet. Oh, what's going on here, look? Oh, have a look though. Oh, it's free Caddy's stand. Shit at maths, aren't we? Oh, turn it back up. Hey, they're up in arms.
De bränner kurdiska barn levande! Levande! De tänder eld på kvinnor! De tänder...
I always like to cover these protests. I travel all over the world to cover them.
It's a crazy world, so what do? You tell them more, tell them more, tell them more, do. To know what's fake or true. So just raise a glass with a friend or two and tell them more, tell them more, tell them more, do. It's getting worse. And you lost your keys in the metaverse. Now your right swipe just one left on you. Tell them more, tell them more, tell them more.